Hello everyone, so in this video we will be looking at the lead code problem 1161, that is maximum level sum of binary tree. So what the problem states that we are given a root of a binary tree and the level of its root is 1 and the level of its children is 2, 3, so on, and we have to return the smallest level where the sum of all the nodes in that level is maximum. So what the question is saying is for example, I have something like a tree 4, 5, -1, 3, 2 and 6. So this is my tree for an example. This is the root and the level is like this 1, 2, 3, so on, right? And what I have to return, I have to return the level where the nodes in that particular level has the maximum sum. So for level 1, what is the sum? It is 4. For level 2, what is the sum? It is 5 minus 1, that is 4. For level 3, what is the sum? It is 3 plus 6, 9 plus 2, 11. So I have to return 3 as my output. So the question is simple and straightforward. So how we will approach this? So since we can see we have to deal with level here, so we can think of something like a level or a traversal. So that is what we will be doing. What we will be doing is we will be traversing level by level, and for each level we will run a for loop, and in that for loop we will be calculating the maximum and we will be updating the maximum. And if I find that the current level sum is greater than my previous maximum, I will update my level. So for example, I'll take the same example for what I will be doing. I have something as level which is 1, since if there is no other nodes except the root node, I have to return 1, and my sum is 0. I will traverse, I will go to level 1, I will check, okay, the sum is 4, I'll make it 4, and I'll also have a max sum which I will keep as -1 in 9. Why I'm keeping it as -1 in 9? Because the root values in the question are given like if we see the constraints, so we have node value, it is in negative, so we have to keep that in mind. So that's why I'm taking maximum sum as -1 in 9. So for the first level, okay, my sum is 4 and I see the maximum sum is 4, and I'll update my maximum sum and my level is 1. I'll update my another variable max level and it is 1. Now I go to the next level. Okay, I'll again check, okay, what is the sum here? Sum is 5 minus 1, that is 4. So it is the same sum, so I can return either 1 or 2, that is, so I will just go with 1. Now I come to this one, this level, third level, and now my sum will be 3 plus 2 plus 6, so it is 11. Now I check, okay, my sum is 11 and my max sum is 4. So what I will be doing, I will be making my max sum 11 and my max level will be equal to this level, so it will be 3. So this is the basic how we will be doing. It will be a simple level order traversal, and in the for loop we will be calculating this, we will, and in that level order traversal we will be calculating all this. So now let us just move to the code part, and it is a very simple problem. It is in medium but it is a simple problem, so let us just move to the coding part. Okay, so welcome to the code part. So what we will be doing, first of all, we will be checking if there is only root in my tree and there is no left children and right children to my root, and if that is the case I'll just return 1 as my answer. So let us just check that. So if root left equals to null, and at the same time root right equals to null, what we will be doing, we will be returning 1, as there will be only one value in my root. Now for the BFS we need a queue, so I will make a queue of tree node. Tree node star qt, and I will push my root to it, as well as I need a max level which will be equal to 1, and I will also take a level which will be equal to 1, as well as a max sum which will be equal to -1 in 9. I can take -1 in 6 as well, because my constraints are still -1 in 5. And what I'll be needing, okay, this is all I need here. So I'll run a while loop for not my qt.empty. It is simple level order traversal here, and I'll be getting int n equals to qt.size, and at the same time I will be getting a variable sum for storing the sum of that particular level. And for int of I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I will be getting current node, which will be equal to qt dot front. And now I will pop it, qt dot pop. This is what I have, and I will do a sum plus equals to current node value. And now I'll move to the left child as well as right child if there is one. So if current node left, if there is a left child, I will push it to my queue, current node left. And if there is a right child, I will push it to my current queue. If there is a current node right, push it into the queue, current node right. And all is done here. Now what I have to do is I have to check if my sum is greater than maximum. If that is the case, my maximum will be equal to sum and my max level will be equal to level, and in the end I will do a level plus plus, and in the end I'll just return max level. So now let us just submit this. Okay, there is some error, qt dot front tree node. So it is tree node. Okay, n is capital, tree node. Now let us just submit it. Okay, so we are getting a wrong answer because there will be while not qt.empty, and I have not written the not operator, so that was the issue. Now let us just submit it, and as you can see it is submitted. So thank you for watching the video, and make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. I hope to see you all in the next one.